Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really great. Do let me know by commenting in the comment section below. Yes, I got my hair chopped off. I actually had like waist length hair and now I have like, this is what I have. Do let me know if this looks good on me by commenting down below. Okay, so let's just get started quickly into this video because I know this will be a bit long video because I will be doing an unboxing of Nature's Company's Beauty Wish Box, and this time the theme was double the products. So there are, instead of 6 products, this time we have like 12 products. So this will be a bit longer video. So let's just get started with what's in this bag. So I have already opened the bag to cut short this video, and when I open this I have like 2 bags instead of 1. So each one I guess has 6 products. Okay, so these are the 2 bags. If you can see, I guess there are 2 color of the bags that this time they have sent. So one of them is this yellow colored bag with this Paris theme and everything, and the other one is the same theme but the color is white, I guess. So like I have seen a couple of my friends have also ordered this on my recommendations probably. So I've seen for them it is like white, for me it is yellow. So these were the 2 colors, I guess. If you got any other color, comment down below. Okay, so let's just get started with the small one. So this is the contents of it. 6 products in this one. Let's just open each one of them. So the first one here is rosemary sage thyme rejuvenating hair oil. So it's a rosemary sage thyme rejuvenating hair oil, and it's from their range 4 Essence, and this particular bottle is a 25 ml bottle, and it says that it is a rich oil blend, soothes the nerves, stimulates circulation and everything. It smells nice. I mean the smell is like pretty known. I think it's like meathi neem, if you guys know. So it's similar to the curry leaves. Yeah, so it's like the oil has been boiled in the curry leaves, so it smells similar to that. So this is the first product. Next in the pool of products is the white pepper cleansing lotion. This is how it looks like, the white pepper cleansing lotion, if you guys can see it. And it is from their Atmosphere range, and it says it's antiseptic and purifying. That's it. Finally it has like camphor kind of smell, and it's pretty good. I mean, it's not annoying at all, it's good. For some it might not be that pleasing, but it's good, I would say. Not very good, not bad, but good. So the third product that we have now here is watercress hair conditioner. I have like a range of hair conditioners and cleansers from Nature's Company now. So, and this one is from watercress hair conditioner, and it's again from their Atmosphere range, and this bottle is again 30 ml, which is like pretty decent. Now for my hair I can use it like a couple of times more than I would have used it earlier. So this is the treat is it says it treat your hair to natural effectiveness of watercress, and your hair will display a naturally strong, nourished look. So that's the third product. The fourth one is, I think it's something coffee or chocolate, I guess, because of the color, if you guys can see it. Yeah, that's the color. So this is a coffee face scrub, and a friend of mine told me that this scrub is really amazing. She told me that It really makes your skin feel so smooth. Just after the usage, you'll feel the difference in your skin with this coffee scrub. It smells like coffee. I've used their chocolate scrub, body scrub, and I totally fell in love with it, because when you apply it, you feel like you have chocolate everywhere, and it's such a good feeling. So this is the coffee scrub, and I have already got really good reviews about it. So looking forward to use this. We have already done 4. Now we are just left with 2 from this bag. So this one is Kiwi Hand and Nail Cream. A really nice product, I would say. It smells so good. It smells so refreshing. I mean, it has that citrusy smell to it, and it's really good. The smell is really nice, and it says that it gives soft and supple hands, rich in vitamin C. Yeah, that's why it was smelling citrusy. And it is from their pure for essence range, and this is 20 ml bottle, so it's pretty decent size bottle. And I love the sample from Nature's Company, because they are like not sample and not full size. You can use it and then decide like whether you want it or you don't want it. So okay, one more left from this bag, and it is Lily of the Valley. It's such a nice name for a body lotion. Lily of the Valley Lily of the Valley. So that's the name of the body lotion, and it is again from the Atmosphere range, and such a travel friendly bottle it is. It's a 25 ml bottle, and the smell is really amazing. Let me just swatch it for you guys. And it's so hydrating as well. I love the smell of this. I mean, seriously, I love the smell. It's not just good, it's really good. So amazing. It smells like lily, and the smell is really nice, and it is hydrating. It is not oily. It is not like, it will not make you like feel nothing. It will not make you feel oily. It will make you feel soft and supple. Yeah, that's how it will make you feel like. So those are the 6 products from the Nature's Company first bag. Those are the 6 products.